Hello everyone, this is Ted with OAXRAY, and today we're going to go over the change to OAXRAY's look and how it is going to affect your scouting. First thing I did was go to toysrus.com. I typed in Lego Friends and I come up with these different sets right here. I'm going to go up to the OAXRAY extension and I can run it like I normally would, but you're going to notice a new look. First thing about the new look is we've removed the green and the red background. We are adding in the images so that you can quickly see the images on Amazon versus the images on the product store, and you can make those comparisons a little faster. It makes it easier to find mismatches, and I think that it's an overall cleaner look. So let's go left to right and get started. First of all, at the top we have all the same tabs that we used to have, but you will notice a new tab here, which is Switch Table View. This will make everything go back to the original view on OAXRAY so you can see everything while we get this table view with all the updates that everyone likes. Fee per unit in this row actually remains pretty much the same. You have your fee per unit, per pound, sales tax, VAT tax, discount, whether you want to change the calculation to merchant fulfilled or not, and restore columns. If you delete a column, you'll see this number increasing, and you can restore them by clicking restore column. And you also have your export to CSV. Now as we move down here, we see this column here. We have sales rank and ROI net profit. These are all able to be sorted, so I can sort from the lowest sales rank to the highest sales rank, or the lowest ROI to the highest ROI. Same for the net profit, so all these columns are able to be sorted by simply clicking on them. You'll also notice these boxes above. These allow you to put a minimum. So right now I have a minimum of 1 as my minimum sales rank, and then I can put a maximum sales rank of 1 million, and it's going to get rid of all the sales ranks over 1 million. I'm able to sort after I get rid of all the sales rank that I'd like to see the low ranking things or the high ranking things as needed. What you will notice is as you are typing in the number, it filters these things instantly. So if you put in a sales rank of 100, nothing shows up until you actually raise your sales rank threshold, because it's filtering everything really quickly. Same goes for the ROI. You can put an ROI of 1 and it will delete everything else that is not within that ROI quickly, so you can easily see what meets your ROI buying criteria. One of the positives about this is these settings stay the same for every scan. So if you put in 1 to 1 million sales rank and you want an ROI above 1, you can leave those settings in here, and the next time you scan, it's automatically going to filter, so you don't have to keep putting in filter settings. On here we have the buy list button, the mismatch button, and here is the button for Keepa, so you can quickly go to Keepa and see any data that they may have about that unit. As we move left to right, we notice that we have the image on Amazon and the image in the store. This should make it much quicker for you making a decision if the items match up or not, and it's just going to be less clicking for you. If you click on either image, you bring up the Amazon listing if you click on the Amazon image, and you bring up the store image if you click on the store image in there, so it gives you a quick reference there. You will notice that these are highlighted in green here, this Toys R Us column, but you can compare any price. So if I want to compare it to the price on Kmart, I just click there, or toysrus.co or Walmart or whatever it is, and whatever is highlighted is actually going to turn green, and you're going to notice that the name is actually here. So it's telling us here that Fry's is the one that is being compared against in this instance, but the default is going to be the store that you scanned. So there we go. Now it's comparing against Walmart. You're able to delete any columns of anything you don't regularly use, and they will stay deleted for the next scan. And as you delete them, you're going to notice this restore column button, the number increases here. That's how many columns that you've actually deleted. So any stores that you don't regularly use, you can just remove them from the calculations, and then it makes it an easier view for you. So if you have any suggestions about the design, if you like something, if you don't like something, go to oaxray.com, and there's a little chat box in the bottom right side. That's going to allow you to leave us feedback. We just rolled out, so if there's a bug here, a bug there, let us know something's not working right, or you need something reverted back to the old way everything was done. And remember, you always can switch tables and go back to the original view and use it as you did until we make this the primary view for OAXRay. Thank you guys very much. Have a great day and make some money using OAXRay.